All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about something every technician should own. So what is one thing that every technician should own but probably doesn't? A knee pad. This should be something that every tech school includes in their required tools list. Every technician should have at least one knee pad. Why? Because we're on our knees a lot, and it's one of the things that goes bad on technicians. I mean, I've had knee problems since I was 15, and various activities have made them much worse. In fact, I'm on prescription strength Aleve, aka naproxen, for that pain. So it's really important that you take care of your knees. Kneeling on concrete is a bad thing. Very, very bad. Now, I have multiple knee pads. If you look at my lifts, and I'll put up some B-roll here, I have knee pads at every one of my lifts. Why do I have multiple knee pads? So I don't have to walk, so I don't have the excuse of, it's over there, I'm not gonna get it. I have them on all of my lifts, both of them. So when I go to spot a car on a lift, I can put the knee pad down, kneel down. It's been raining, I got a car leaking on the ground. I'm not putting my knee in coolant or rainwater. I don't have snow, so my knees don't get wet. I can spot the vehicle properly and my knees don't hurt. Same with doing under dash work or something like that where you have to kneel on the ground. Cabin air filters. Simple example. You got to kneel on the ground, put your knee pad down. Not hard, but it will save you so much in the long run. This job takes a toll on your body. It's important to do as much as you can to not hurt it every day. I did a video a while ago on PPE, personal protection equipment, safety glasses, ear protection, all that kind of good stuff. And you need to do knee pads. Why? So you can keep working in this industry. Kneeling on concrete is bad for them. I know a lot of you 20-year-olds are sitting there going, oh, no, there's no big deal. I'm fine. It ain't gonna hurt me. Wait about 20 years. It's gonna start hurting. Now, this is an Ulsa Tools knee pad. There's other products available. Plenty of stuff out there. You can go to the garden center and get them, but I will link this in the comments. So if you want to get one, you can. The tool trucks sell them in multiple sizes. I've got, most of mine are the medium-sized Matcos. I've also got a big-size Matco, just so I don't have an excuse. I use my knee pads literally multiple times a day. When I'm doing a cabin air filter, I put them down. When I'm spotting a lift, I put them down. Why? Because my knees hurt. Don't be like me. Use a knee pad. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master, and use your knee pad.